Welcome to Carb Manager.
The previous user and assistant just need to be present to keep yourself busy all day. Carb Manager's specialized tools help you manage your daily carb intake, log foods, and monitor macronutrients with ease.
Setting up your profile.
After installing Carb Manager, begin by creating your personal profile. Enter your age, weight, height, activity level, and keto goals. The app will calculate your daily macros, carbs, fat, and protein, tailored to the ketogenic diet. Accurate information helps Carb Manager recommend the ideal targets for you to reach and maintain ketosis.
Logging food and tracking carbs.
Easily log your meals by searching for foods, scanning barcodes, or selecting from the app's extensive database of keto-friendly items. Carb Manager automatically calculates the net carbs, fats, and protein in each food, updating your progress as you log. Visual charts display how close you are to your daily goals, making it simple to stay on track.
Exploring keto features and recipes.
Carb Manager offers a large library of keto recipes and meal plans. Browse these for inspiration, add selected dishes directly to your food log, and even customize servings. The app also suggests suitable recipes based on your macro goals, making meal planning on keto easier than ever.
Using progress tracking and reports.
Monitor your health journey using Carb Manager's progress tools. View charts and reports of your daily macros, weight changes, and nutrition trends over time. These insights can help you understand your habits and celebrate your progress on the ketogenic diet, motivating you to stay consistent with your goals.
Get the most out of Carb Manager.
Take advantage of Carb Manager's reminders, community support, and premium features if you want even deeper insights or advanced meal planning options. With a few minutes a day, you can keep your keto diet on track and make informed choices. Carb Manager is your convenient companion for keto tracking success.